Thinking of remodeling your kitchen? If so, there are possible pitfalls you should be aware of. Hi, I'm your host LeeAnne Locken here with some ways to avoid a redesign nightmare. You're planning your long-awaited remodel of your kitchen. You plan on adding beautiful new wood or tile floors, and they will be installed over your pre-existing floor. This upgrade added 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch height between the floor and the top edge of your dishwasher opening. In other words, you have less installation height than the industry standard of 34.5 inches. You go to the store and buy a new tall tank dishwasher. The installer brings the unit to your home and readies it to slide into the opening. Headache number 1. The new dishwasher is taller than your opening. Remember the floor you added? The new dishwasher is too tall and will not fit. I feel one of those remodeling headaches coming. Headache number 2, you're in a dilemma. You need to return a dishwasher that has been opened. The retailer frowns and charges a return fee if they allow the return at all. If you bought online, your headache grows even larger. Measure your dishwasher opening from the floor to the underside of your countertop surface to confirm your usable height. Take 3 measurements along the width of the opening, taking the lowest height as your maximum height. That's where ASKO becomes your solution. They offer both extra large or XXL, the world's largest, and ADA tall tank models that offer a wide range of installation height flexibility. The XXL requires a minimum of 34 inches available height, which is 1/2 inch under the industry standard of 34.5 inches. The ADA models utilize an industry-leading tall tank for optimum capacity while enabling an installation height as low as 32.25 inches. That's flexibility. No other manufacturer provides an ADA height-compliant dishwasher with an XL size tank. ASKO offers more capacity, flexibility, and usable height than any other ADA height dishwasher. ASKO knows that producing ADA height compliant appliances provides easier access for operating, loading, and unloading of dishes or laundry for disabled residents. It's attention to these details that make life better for everyone. To learn more about ASKO and their solution-based products, please visit www.askousa.com. And thanks for watching.